All right, guys, so I am here today to share with you my 5 faves for fall in lipsticks or lip colors. So first I'm going to start off with a nude and then we'll go into more deeper tones. So a fall fave to have is definitely a perfect nude. I'm going to be using MAC Honey Love, which is this. And I'm going to use the ColourPop BFF number 4. So any nude lip liner or brown lip liner I like to use first before I go in with the nude. And I like to overdraw my lips a little bit. And then I'm going to use Honey Love, which is a matte lipstick. Now, I personally don't like to leave my lips matte. I typically like to have a gloss. I'm going to use the new Fenty Beauty. This one is Cake Shake. This one comes in the holiday set, and I'm just going to put this on top. Number 2, I'm going to go in with a deeper brown. So if you are looking for more of a darker brown, I am going to also use MAC, which is Stone. Disclaimer, I own a lot of MAC lipsticks, and those are typically my go-to shades. I used to work at MAC, so again, I'm going to outline my lips. Now, Stone gives you more of a grayer, taupier color. So the shade isn't for everybody, but if you really want that deep fall look, this is one of the shades to have. The next fall fave is using Heroin by MAC. I mean, it's the perfect purple. So I'm going to use Current, which is the lip liner by MAC, just to outline my lips. My lips are dry. This is such a beautiful purple. My favorite red is using like a blue red. I prefer not to use a bright red just because I don't really like how it comes out on me. So I am going to use Colored Rain, and this is their famous Cherry Blossom. It's so beautiful. To line my lips with this, I am going to use Current again. You don't have to do this step. Talk That Talk lip liner from the Riri collection from MAC. Again, you can use Current. Actually, you can use Night Moth. And I am using Fenty. This is an Underdog. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick video on my top 5 colors for fall, and be sure to check out the beauty brands to go ahead and shop these shades for the holidays. These are the perfect colors. You have from nude to red to like a deep tone like this. Perfect colors to have for fall. Bye, you guys.